of Congressman
The
Paduano.
former president is speaking without the recognition of the chairman. And please, Mr. President, former President, you know the rules. It was read by Chairman Acop. And being a former congressman, you know the internal rules. Let the members of this committee finish the question before answering. That's my first point of order, Mr. Chairman. And I hope the former president understand.
Nakalimutan
The rules.
ko na yun. Yung rules na yun.
Oh, now, I now want you.
Hindi
Pinapaalala ko po.
I'm not,
Now again,
I am
Mr.
not-
Chairman. Chairman,
Hearing suspended.
the former president is
Hearing
speaking.
suspended.